Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Elga online class. Okay, yeah children, today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 1 of unit 3. Children, today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 1 of unit 3. Yeah children, listen. Already we are completed 2 unit. Okay, now we are going to learn day 1 of unit 3. Okay, yeah children, what is the meaning of Elga? Elga means what? Yeah, very good. Elga means English, language and general awareness. Okay, yeah children, in Elga there are 5 components. Okay, now we are going to cover the phonic section, first component. Okay, what is the today's topic? Yeah, very good. Yeah children, are you eagerly? Yeah, very good. Listen, today's topic is cultures of neighboring countries. Okay, what is the today's topic? Cultures of neighboring countries. Okay, yeah children, listen. When you attend the online class, what are the things you need? Yeah children, very good. Take your Elga reader book, Elga workbook, pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, yeah children, now take your Elga reader book, page number 45. Okay, take soon children. Take your Elga reader book, page number 45. Yeah children, I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Take your all things. What are the things you want to need? Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah children, today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 1 of unit 3. Cultures of neighboring countries. Cultures of neighboring countries. Okay. Yeah children, now take your Elga reader book, page number 45. Blends. In the phonic section, today we are going to learn blends. Okay. Slur blend. Which blends? Slur blends. Okay, yeah children, now look at the board. Slur blend. Children, once again, S and L. Okay. Slur blend. Okay, now I will read the words. Slide, slide. Yeah children, what are the 3 things? What are the 3 sounds? Very good. Beginning sound, middle sound and the end sound. Okay, yeah children, now how to read the words? Very good. Yeah children, listen. Slur, slur, slur. E, the, slide, slide. Okay, the next word. Sleeve, sleeve, slur, slur. Sleeve. Next, slippers, slippers, slow, slim, slip, slant, slide. Okay, once again you have to listen. Slur, slide, slur, sleeve, slur, slippers, slur, slow, slur, slim, slur, slip, slur, slant, slur, slide. Okay, yeah children, once again. Children, please repeat after with me. Slur blend. Okay, slide, slide, slur, slide, slur, sleeve, slur, sleeve, slur, slippers, slur, slipper. See the slide. Slur. Slide. Slur. Slide. Children, once again, repeat after with me. Slur. Slide. Slur. Slide. Slur. Sleep. Slur. Sleep. Slur. Slippers. Slur. Slippers. Slur. Slow. Slur. Slow. Next. Your children, now take your Elga reader book, page number 45. I will read another words also. Okay. Slur. Slide. Slur. Sleep. Slur. Slippers. Slur. Slow. Slur. Slim. Slur. Slip. Slur. Slant. Slur. Slide. Okay. Very good. Yeah, children, next let us learn the stir sound. Stir blend. Okay. Read the word. Read the word. Stir. Stir. Stir blend. Once again say stir blend. Stir. Star. Stir. Star. Next. Stir. Stamp. Stir. Stamp. Stir. Stamp. Stir. Stairs. Stir. Stairs. Stir. Store. Stir. Store. Next. The children listen. Now I will read the more words for you. Stir. Star. Stir. Stamp. Stir. Stairs. Stir. Store. Next. Stir. Step. Stir. Step. Stir. Stem. Stir. Stem. Stir. Stun. Stir. Stun. Stir. Stop. Stir. Stop. Okay. Now children, today's phonics section over. Next we are going to cover whole word section. Okay. Children, listen. Now we are going to learn, practice the words from previous levels. Okay. Practice from the previous levels. Okay, your children, listen. Now take your book. Take your book, page number 66. What is the page number? 66. Your children, take your Elga reader book, page number 66, whole word section. Okay. Your children, now I will read the words for you. Children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Practice words from previous levels. Okay. Listen. The first whole word is goes. Goes. The next word his. His. The another word jump. Jump. The next word feel. Feel. The next word like. Like. The next word thank. Thank. The another word many. Many. The next word fun. Fun. The next word help. Help. The last word with. 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 Next see. See. The next word some. Some. The next word wants. Wants. The next word from. From. The next word learn. Learn. Next long. Long. Live. Live. The next word great. Great. The another word two. Two. The next word, why. Why? Children, once again I will read the all words for you. Children, please repeat after with me. Goes. Goes. The next word, hiss. Hiss. The another word, jump. Jump. The next word, feel. Feel. The last word, like. Like. Second row, first word, thank. Thank. The next word, many. Many. The another word, fun. Fun. The next word, help. Help. The another word, with. With. Next. Third row, first line, first word, see. See. The next word, some. Some. The another word, wants. Wants. The next word, from. From. The another word, learn. Learn. Next. Last row, first word, long. Long. The next word, live. Live. The next word, great. Great. The another word, to. To. The last word is why. Why. Okay, yeah, children, next we are going to cover reading and listening comprehension. Next we are going to cover reading and listening comprehension. Okay, yeah, children, before we are going to reading and listening comprehension, some sentence from the whole words. Some sentence from the whole words. Okay. Okay, yeah, children, listen. These are my shoes. These are my shoes. I love them. Children, once again, I repeat the sentence. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. These are my shoes. I love them. The next sentence. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Them. Them. Them is the whole word. Next. Which color do you like the most? Children, once again. Which color do you like the most? Yeah, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Most is the whole word. What is the whole word? Most. Most is the whole word. Next. She is using my pencil to write. She is using my pencil to write. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Using is a whole word. Children, next we are going to cover the reading and listening comprehension. Okay. Okay, children. Yes, students, now see the slide. What is this? What is this, children? This is map of India. Okay. Yeah, children, which is our country? Which is our country? Very good. India is our country. Okay, yeah, children, where do you live? Where do you live? Where are you coming from? Okay, yeah, children, we are live in villages or town. Okay, yeah, now see the slide. This is map of India. This is map of India. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Next. Children, you have neighbors. You have neighbors. Neighbors means what? Yeah, children, listen. What are the neighboring countries? Can you see in this slide? What are the neighboring countries? Can you see in this slide? Yeah, children, listen. Country is which comes near to India. Okay. Country is which comes near to India. Okay, these countries are called neighboring countries. Okay, yeah, children, you have neighbors. You have neighbors. Yeah, children, listen. What are called neighbors? Neighbors means what? What is the neighbors? Yeah, children, listen. People you just live near to you or next to you. Okay, they are called neighbors. Okay, people. Yeah, children, listen carefully. People you just live to near or next to you, to talk them a good friend. To talk them a good friend. They are called neighbors. Okay, neighbors means நம்ம இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம வீட்டை சுற்றிலும் இருக்கக்கூடிய பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்காரவங்க. ஓகே, அண்டை அயலாருன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. உங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கவங்க, பின்னாடி இருக்கவங்க, சைடில் இருக்கவங்க. ஓகே, உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, அவங்க என்னது? They are called neighbors. Okay, people you just live next to you or near to you, talk to them good friends. They are called neighbors. Okay, your children, country also have neighbors. Okay, இப்போ நமக்கு எப்படி பக்கத்துலலாம் நிறைய பேர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, அதே போல் கண்ட்ரீஸ்க்கும் என்ன இருக்குது? நெய்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஓகே, யார் listen, country also have neighbors. Country also have neighbors. Okay, what are the things you can see along with India? The children, see the slide. What are the things you can see along with India? Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, the blue color both the sides of India. The blue color both the sides of India. Okay, these are called oceans. These are called oceans. Yeah, children, listen the slide carefully. India பக்கத்துல பாருங்க, ரெண்டு சைடுலயும் blue கலர்ல இருக்குல்ல, அதெல்லாம் என்னது? This is the water. The blue color all of are water. Okay, these are called oceans. These are called oceans. Okay, yeah, children, what are the neighboring countries in India to India? Say the name. Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Next. Yeah, in the under the below the map of India, Sri Lanka. Next, what are the neighboring countries? See in this slide. Yeah, very good. Your children, listen. Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, these are called neighboring countries. Okay, yeah, children, now look at the slide. Look at the slide, children. What is the country is this? Anybody guess the answer? What is the country is this? Yeah, children, listen. This country is the neighbor of India. This country is the neighbor of India. Many people live in this country. Many people live in this country. Yeah, children, listen. Look at the slide. They speak Mandarin and Cantonese language. They speak Mandarin and Cantonese language. They eat noodles and meat using chopsticks. Okay, yeah, children, once again, see the slide. A girl is eating the noodles using the chopsticks. Okay, this is called the chopstick. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Once again, I will read the sentence. They speak Mandarin and Cantonese language. They eat noodles and meat using chopstick. Okay, yeah, children, in our country, we are all eating the rice and dal, but the Chinese eating the noodles and meat using the chopstick. We are all using the rice with the sambar using the fingers or spoons. Okay, next, see the next one. Women in this country wear cheongsam. Women is in this country wear cheongsam. This is a one-piece dress. This is a one-piece dress. Okay, cheongsam is a one type of clothes. Okay, women in this country wear. Okay, do you know which country is this? Next, this country is known for its martial arts. This country is known for its martial arts. One of them is karate. Karate is practiced as the sport. Okay, your children see the slide. The two boys are doing well, performing in the karate. Okay, martial arts means what? Karate, kung fu, judo. Okay, this are called martial arts. Okay, your children, once again, this country is known for its martial arts. One of them is karate. Karate is practiced as the sport. Okay, what is this country? Which is this country? Yeah, very good. This country is China. Yeah, okay. Which country is this? This country is China. Okay. Okay, your children, listen. Once again, your children, we are living in India. Okay, country also have neighbors. Country also have neighbors. Neighbors means what? People you just live near to you or next to you to talk, then good friends. They are called neighbors. Okay, your children, countries also have neighbors. Okay, what is the neighboring country of India? China. China is the neighboring country of India. Okay, your children, look at the slide. This is the China. This country is called China. Yeah, this is the map of India. Sorry, map of China. Okay, this country is China. Okay, your children, next, let us learn the grammar section. Okay. Your children, listen. In this grammar section, we are remember the noun, verb and adverb. Okay, your children, now see the slide. Rogan runs in the garden. Children, once again, repeat with me. Read the sentence. Rogan runs in the garden. Your children, listen carefully. In this sentence, find the naming words or nouns. Okay, in this sentence, find the naming words or nouns. Okay, in this sentence. Okay, your children, see the sentence. What is the naming word or noun? What is noun? Noun is a naming word. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Your children, listen carefully. In this sentence, what is the noun or naming word? Yeah, very good. In this sentence, Rogan and garden. Rogan and garden are the naming words. Okay, your children, listen. Here, Rogan and garden. Rogan and garden are the naming words. Are the naming words. Rogan runs in the garden. Okay, in this sentence, Rogan and garden is a naming word. Why? Your children, because Rogan is the name of a person. Rogan is the name of a person. Garden is a place. Garden is a place. Okay. Next, read this sentence. Rogan runs fast in the garden. Your children, listen carefully. Rogan runs fast in the garden. Okay. What is Rogan doing? Children, say the answer. What is Rogan doing? Rogan runs fast. Okay, your children, read the sentence carefully. Rogan runs fast in the garden. What is Rogan doing? Your children, listen. Rogan runs. Rogan runs. Your children, listen. Runs is the action word in this sentence. Okay. Children, once again. Runs. Runs is the action word in this sentence. Okay, here now the run is in the blue color. Okay, Rogan runs in the garden. Okay, next. What is the new word in this sentence? Children, listen carefully. In this sentence, what is the new word? New word in this sentence? Yeah, very good. Fast. Fast. See the slide now. Rogan runs fast in the garden. Rogan runs fast in the garden. Yeah, children, now this is called an adverb. In the sentence, fast is a blue color. Okay, fast is in the blue color word. Okay, yeah, children, listen. This is called an adverb. Why? Because it is described to the verb. This is described the action. Okay, runs fast. Runs fast. This is called an adverb. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. See the slide now. Rogan runs fast in the garden. Okay. Rogan runs fast in the garden. Yeah, children, listen. This is called an adverb. This is called an adverb. It tells us how an action is happening. Okay, this is called an adverb. It tells us how an action is happening. Okay. Next, I will give the two more examples. First one, Rita can write quickly. Read the sentence once again. Rita can write quickly. Here, children, in this sentence, what is the naming words? What is the verb and adverb? Okay, here, children, now look at the slide. In the first sentence, naming word is a Rita. What is the naming word? Rita. Rita is a naming word. Okay, yeah, children, next. Yeah, in this sentence, what is the verb? What is the verb? Yeah, very good. In this sentence, write. Write is a verb. Write is a verb. Next, what is the adverb in this sentence? Very good. Quickly. Quickly. Quickly is a adverb. Why? Because it is described to write. Okay, write. எப்படி எழுதுனாங்க? Write quickly. Write quickly. Okay, how to the action is doing. Okay, Rita can write quickly. Next, the second sentence. Priya sings for the class. Priya sings for the class. Okay, listen. In the second sentence, what is the naming word? Very good. Priya. What is the naming word? Priya. What is the verb? Sings. What is the verb? Sings. Okay, yeah, children, in this sentence, there is no adverb. There is no adverb. Yeah, children, read the sentence once again for you. Rita can write quickly. Rita can write quickly. Priya sings for the class. Priya sings for the class. Next, yeah, children, in this two sentence, Rita is a naming word and Priya also naming word. Verb, what are the two verbs? Write and sings. What is the adverb? Quickly only. Okay. Yeah, children, now take your worksheet. Take soon page number 60. Page number 60, question number 1. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. Now, children, look at the picture carefully. Put the number in the correct sequence. Yeah, children, this is for your homework. This is for your homework. Okay. Okay, yeah, children, listen. In this today's class, what did you learn? Once again, dear children, listen. In today's class, we learnt about slur blend. Slur blend. Okay. What are the words in the slur blend? Slide. Slur, slide. Slur, sleep. Slur, sleep. Slur, slippers. Slur, slow. Next, slur, slim. Slur, slip. Slur, slip. Slur, slant. Next, slur, slide. Next, in the stir blend. Star, stir, star, stir, stamp, stir, stacks, stir, store, stir, step, stir, stamp, stir, stand, stir, stop. Next, in the whole word section, we learnt about the previous level. Okay, listen, goes, hiss, jump, feel, like, thank, many, fun, help, with, see, some, wants, from, learn, wrong, live, great, to, why. Okay, the children, from the whole words, the sentence. These are my shoes. I love them. Next, which color do you like the most? Next, she is using my pencil to write. Next, yeah children, what are the neighboring countries? What are the neighboring countries near to India? Okay, yeah children, listen. See the map. Look at the map. Children, listen. See this map. This is India. This is map of India. Where is China? Yeah, children, listen. The China is located in. Okay, this is called China. This is the neighboring country of India. This is neighboring country of India. Okay. Next. In this country, people wear different types of clothes. People speak different types of language. Okay. Next. In today's class, we learnt in the grammar section, naming word. Next. Now, verb and adverb. Okay, now verb and adverb. Okay, yeah children, today's homework for you. Worksheet page number 60. Page number 60. Page number 60. Okay, number the pictures in the correct sequence. Okay, yeah children, do your homework properly. Okay, thank you children. Bye bye. Happy learning.